Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Hinge dating app for females. Let's get started. First, go to the App Store. Now, tap on the search at the bottom right. In the search bar, type Hinge and download the app. Once installed, open the Hinge app on the phone. You can see sign up with a phone number, Apple ID or Facebook. Just follow the on-screen instruction and verify your account. Now it's time to create a profile. Add a few clear photos of yourself smiling once work best. Then answer some fun prompts like your favorite hobby or a fun fact to show your personality. Next, go to the settings and set your preferences like age, range, distance and who you are interested in. This helps in show you better matches. Once your home screen, you will see your potential matches. If you like someone, tap the heart for their photo or comment on their prompt. If you are not interested, simply tap the X. When someone likes you back, it's a match. You will see them in matches tab. Just tap on their name and start chatting. Be yourself and have fun. Remember to keep your personal info private and always meet in safe public places. And that's it. You have just learned how to use Hinge on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.